أعزائي الطلبة والطالبات، أهلا بكم في حلقة جديدة من برنامج مدرسة على الهواء. حلقتنا النهاردة Final Revision for Primary 6. The first question: complete Z negative intersection Z positive equal what? Equal phi. Why? Because there is no common elements between Z negative and Z positive. The second question: Z difference in. Difference means what are elements in Z but not in N. The answer will be Z negative. The third one: N union Z negative. Union, we will take all elements in N and Z negative without repetition. The answer will be Z, all of the integer numbers. Z equal what union what union what? Z positive union set of 0 union Z negative. We must take all positive numbers and negative numbers and set of 0. What is the neither positive nor negative? What is the element is neither negative nor positive? 0. The smallest positive number is 1. The smallest positive number is 1. The greatest negative integer is negative 1. What is the additive identity element in Z? Yes, 0 is the additive identity element in Z. What is the multiplicative identity element in Z? Yes, 1 is the multiplicative identity element in Z. The additive inverse of negative 1 to the power 0 is what? Any number to the power 0 equal 1, and the additive inverse of 1 is negative 1. Complete in the same pattern: negative 20, negative 18, negative 16. What is the next number? Negative 20, negative 18, negative 16. The next number will be negative 14. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. What is the next number? All of these numbers perfect square. 1 to the power 1 equal 1, 2 to the power 2 equal 4, 3 to the power 2 equal 9, 4 to the power 2 equal 16, 5 to the power 2 equal 25. Then the next one will be 6 to the power 2 equal 36. 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. What is the next number? Firstly, we will add the first two numbers. 1 plus 1 equal the next number is 2. 1 plus 2 equal the next number is 3. 2 plus 3 equal 5, and so on. And the last one, 5 plus 8 equal 13. 3x to the power 2 plus 4 equal 5 is of what degree? This equation has a degree. What is the degree of this equation? To find the degree of equation, we will take the highest power of x or y or any symbol. The highest power of x is 2. Then the degree is second degree. We have finished the complete. Then use the properties of addition operation in Z to find the result of. We will take the properties of addition: commutative, associative, closure, additive identity, additive inverse. How to use these properties to find the result of negative 17 plus 4 plus 17. The first step, we will commutative property. We will exchange 17 with 4. Then negative 17 plus 17 plus 4. This is the commutative property. Then negative 17 plus 17 we will find by using associative property. Negative 17 plus 17 plus 4. Negative 17 plus 17 between two brackets. We will carry out this operation between two brackets. Negative 17 plus 17. Negative 17 plus 17. Negative 17 is the additive inverse of 17. Then their sum equal 0. 0 plus 4. We will use the additive inverse. 0 plus 4 is 0 is the additive identity element in Z. So 0 plus any number equals the same number. 0 plus 4 equal 4. We used additive identity. The next one. Use the properties of a multiplication of operation in Z to find the result of 25 times 64 plus 25 times 36. This property is distribution. We will take 25 out of bracket. 25 is repeated. We will take it out of bracket. Then equal 25 times between two brackets 64 plus 36. Then we will carry out the operation between two brackets. 64 plus 36 equal 100. Then 25 times 100 equal 2500. The next one. Find solution set. To find solution set, we will find the value of the variable x minus 4 equal 10. X minus 4 equal 10. If x belongs to Z, then we must have the result in Z. X minus 4 equal 10. To find the solution set, we must put x in one side, only x. Then we must cancel all the numbers beside x. Negative 4, we will move it to the other side with inverse operation. Negative 4, we will move it to the other side with plus 4. X equal 10 plus 4. 10 plus 4 equal 14. Is 14 belongs to Z? Yes, 14 belongs to Z. Then the solution set equal 14. The second one. 2x minus 4 equal 10. And we must have the result in natural number. Natural numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Then 2x minus 4 equal 10. I want to put x in one side. Then firstly we must cancel negative 4. We move it to the other side plus 4. يبقى 2x equal 10 plus 4. Then 2x equal 14. Then we have another operation in the same equation. Then 2x equal 14. The first 2x equal 14. Then we will 2x means to multiply x. 2x means to multiply x. Then we must move 2 to the other side with inverse operation. Inverse operation of multiplication is division. Then 2x equal 14. We will move 2 to the other side with divide. Then x equal 14 divided by 2. 14 divided by 2 equals 7. Is 7 belongs to n? Yes. Then solution set equal 7. The next one. 4x plus 1 equal negative 15. And x must be belong to n. For x equal 1, we move 1 to the other side. Here plus 1, we move it to the other side. Minus 1. For x equal negative 15 minus 1. Negative 15 minus 1 equal negative 16. Then 4x equal negative 16. Then 4, like 2 in the previous example, 4x means 4 times x. We move it to another side, divided. Even negative 16 divided by 4. Then x equal negative 4. Is negative 4 belongs to n? No, we must have, or we must know the set of natural numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. But negative 4 isn't element, is it natural element? Then negative 4 doesn't belong to n. Then the solution set will be phi. The solution set will be phi. Negative 4 doesn't belong to n, then the solution set equal phi. The next one. All of the previous examples equation and this example x minus 3 less than 1 less than or more than means inequality. X belongs to n. Then the same operation of equations, the same steps of equation, we will do it in inequality. 1, negative 3, we move it to the other side, plus 3. 1 plus 3 equal 4. X less than 4. To solve the inequality, we must read it right. X less than 4, yani we will take all numbers less than 4, but in natural numbers. Which are numbers less than 4 in natural number? Yes, x less than 4, يبقى 3, 2, 1, 0. The next one, 2x plus 5 is more than 3. 5, we move it to the other side with inverse operation, plus we move it to the other side, minus. يبقى 2x more than 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 equal negative 2. Then the inequality will be 2x more than negative 2. And 2x, we move to the other side with divided. X more than negative 2 divided 2. Negative 2 divided by 2 equal negative 1. Then the inequality will be x more than negative 1. X more than negative 1, we must take all the numbers more than negative 1 in Z, which are integers more than negative 1 in Z. Yes? Solution set 0, 1, 2, and so on. Let's simplify. 2 power 6 multiply 2 power 3 over 2 to the power 5. We have more important rules. When multiplying like bases, we put the same base and add their powers. And when dividing like bases, we put the same base and subtract their powers. Then, in this question, 2 power 6 equal times 2 power 3 over 2 to the power 5. Firstly, we have multiply 2 power over, in the numerator, 2 power 6 times 2 to the power 3. We put the same base 2 and add their powers, 6 plus 3, and we put the denominator 2 to the power 5 as it is, equal 6 plus 3 equal 9. Then 2 to the power 9 over 2 to the power 5. Two to the power 9 over 2 to the power 5. 2 power 9 over 2 to the power 5, dividing. When dividing like bases, we put the same base 2 and subtract their powers. 9 minus 5 equal, we put 2 as it is, 9 minus 5 equal 4. And we can use a calculator to find the result. 2 to the power 4 equal 16. The second one, negative 3 to the power 5 times negative 3 to the power 4 over negative 3 to the power 3. We have the same bases. We have the same bases. We would firstly in the numerator we have multiply. We put the same base negative 3. Negative 3 to the power 5 plus 4 over negative 3 to the power 3. Negative 3 to the power 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 equal 9. Then negative 3 to the power 9 over negative 3 to the power 3. Then we have like bases, but in the step divide, negative 3 to the power 9 over negative 3 to the power 3 equal, we put the same base, negative 3 to the power 9 minus 3. Why minus? Because we divide. When dividing like bases, we subtract their powers. Equal, we put negative 3, 9 minus 3 equal 6. Equal, we have most important note. If we have negative base with the even power eat the negative. Even power eat the negative. Then we must have in the final result positive. If we have negative with even power, the result will be positive. Like this example, negative 3 to the power 6. To put it in your calculator, we must put it between two brackets. We must put negative 3 between two brackets. نبقى negative 3 to the power 6 equal 729. Then a circle, its diameter is 14 centimeters. Calculate its surface area whereby equal 22 over 7. This unit is unit 3, measuring and geometry. Geometry and measurement. We have in this unit circle with its rule, cube and the cuboid with their rules, and the translation. Let's take the first question. A circle, its diameter is 14 centimeters. Calculate its surface area where by equal 22 over 7. We must write the rule. We must write the rule to get marks. But the first step in this question, we must write the rule. We must write the rule of the circle. Area of circle equal pi r power 2. Pi r power 2. Then we have pi equal 22 over 7. To solve the questions of the circle, we must have the radius. To find the area of circle, we must have the radius. We have in this question diameter. Diameter equal 14. We must find the radius. How to find the radius from diameter? Diameter is twice the radius. Then to find the radius, we will divide diameter by 2. We will divide the diameter by 2. Like this. Diameter equal 14 centimeters. To find the radius equal diameter divided by 2 equal 14 divided by 2 equal 7. This is draft. يبقى pi r to the power 2 equal 22 over 7 times the radius will be 7 centimeters. يبقى r power 2 is 7 power 2 equal, by using calculator to find the result, to divide the last result, 22 over 7 times 7 to the power 2 equal 154. 154 what? Centimeter square. You must write the measuring unit. The measuring unit of area power 2. Centimeter in length, يبقى in area centimeter square. meter in length, in area meter square. We must write the measuring unit. The next example, in the opposite figure, we have opposite figure. Opposite figure ABCD is a rectangle. Its length 10 centimeters, its width 7 centimeters. A circle is drawn to touch the sides, and calculate the area of shaded part where pi equal 22/7. To find the shaded part of any shape, we have a shape. To find the shaded part, we will find the area of whole shape. Then we will take the shape is not shaded. Like in this example, the ABCD is the whole shape. ABCD is the whole shape, is a rectangle. How to find the shaded shape between a rectangle and circle? Firstly, we will find we will find the area of rectangle, area of the rectangle, and we must write the rule of rectangle. Area of rectangle equal length by width. Length by width equal length by width. Length is 10 centimeters times 7 centimeters. 10 is the length and 7 its width. 10 times 7 equals 70. 70 what? 70 centimeters square. Then we will find the area of circle. We will take, to find the area of circle, we must have the radius. We must have the radius. In this shape, we have a radius? No, we have the diameter. The diameter of circle is 7. We have the diameter. To find the radius of circle, we will divide the diameter divided by 2. Diameter divided by 2 equal 7 divided by 2 equal 3.5 centimeters. Then, how to find the area of circle? Area of circle, we must write the rule equal pi r power 2 equal pi here is a given in the question 22/7. 22/7 times 3.5 to the power 2. Use the calculator to find the result of area of circle. 22/7 times 3.5 to the power 2 equal 38.5 centimeters square. Then, to find the area of shaded part, we will area of a rectangle, the whole shape, area of shaded part, equal the area of a rectangle is 70 centimeters square minus the area of a circle 38.5. The result will be 31.5 centimeters square. Then we will take the question about cube and cuboid. To find any rule of a cube, we must have the side length. To find the lateral area or total area or volume, we must have the side length. The question: find the lateral area and total surface area of a cube of edge length 8 centimeters. This question is direct questions. To solve this question, lateral surface area equal side times side times 4. Side, we have the side length. The side length is 8 centimeters. Then 8 times 4 equal, we can use the calculator to find this result. 8 times 8 times 4 equal 256 centimeter square, because lateral surface area is an area. To find the total area equal, total surface area equal side times 6 equal, side is 8, 8 times 8 times 6 equal 384 centimeter square. Then to find the lateral and total area of a cube, we must have the side length. In the previous example, we have the side length. He gives me in the question directly. Let's take another question. The sum of edge lengths of a cube equals 60 centimeters. Find its total area. Find its total area. We have how many edges of a cube? The number of edges of a cube is 12, and we have the sum of edges. To find the edge, to find the length of each length, we will divide the sum over 12 to find the length of each side. Like this example, the sum of each lengths of a cube equal 60 centimeters. Find its total area. To find the side length from the side, to find the side length from the sum of edges, we will divide sum over 12. We have 60 divide 12. To divide 60 divided by 12 equal 5 centimeters. 60 divided 12 equal 5 centimeters. Then we know the total area, total surface area equal side by 6 equal, and we have the side length is 5. 5 times 5 times 6 equal 150 centimeter square. Then another question. If the lateral area of a cube equal 36 centimeter square, calculate its total surface area and its volume. To find the total area, the volume, we must have the side length. How to find the side length from the lateral surface area? We take the lateral surface area equal area of one face times 4. But how to find the area of one face? Area of one face equal lateral surface area divided by 4. Then this question, if the lateral area of a cube is 36 centimeter square, calculate its total surface area and its volume. If the lateral area of a cube equal 36 centimeter square, then the area of one face equal 36 lateral surface area divided by 4 equal 36 divided by 4 equal 9 centimeters. We have area of one face. How to find the side length of a cube? The side length equal square root of area. Square root. We will use the square root of area to find what? If we have area of one face, to find its length, which the number will multiply by itself to equal 9 centimeters. 3 times 3. Or we can use the calculator to find the side length. Square root of area, square root of 9 equal 3 centimeters. Then we have the side length of a cube. We can find the total area. total surface area equal side times side times 6 equal 3 by 3 by 6. We can use the calculator to find it, equal 54 centimeter square. We studied in the first term the volume of cube. How to find the volume of a cube? The volume of cube we studied in the first term, side by side by side. Then the volume equal side by side by side equal 3 by 3 by 3 equal 27 centimeter cube. Centimeter cube. The volume, its measuring unit is centimeter cube. فاصل ونعود. We will take another question, but on cuboid. Cuboid is a cuboid. It's have two rules: lateral surface area and total surface area. Lateral surface area of cuboid. The lateral surface area of a cuboid equal length plus width times 2 times height, and the total surface area of a cube equal lateral surface area plus 2 times area of base. Why 2? Because we have two bases of a cuboid, and we have another question like swimming pool. The total area will be lateral surface area plus area of base, not 2 times area of base, because the swimming pool has no lid. Then let's take example. The dimensions of a cuboid are 6 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and 8 centimeters. Find its lateral and total area. Lateral total area. Lateral total area equal what? The lateral total area of a cube of a cuboid equal length plus width times 2 times the height. Why length plus width times 2? Length plus width times 2 is the perimeter of base. The perimeter, the lateral surface area of a cuboid equal perimeter of base times height. And the perimeter of base, the base as shape rectangle, and the area of the perimeter of rectangle, length plus width between two brackets times 2. In the area, the lateral surface area, we have 6 plus 5 between two brackets times 2 times, and the height is 8. Then we can use the calculator. We can use the calculator to find the result. 6 plus 5 times 2 times 8 equal 176 centimeter square. The lateral surface area of a cuboid. To find the total area of a cuboid, the total surface area of cuboid equal lateral surface area plus 2 times area of base. And we said the base of a rectangle of a cuboid as shape rectangle, and the area of rectangle length by width. Then the lateral surface area, we found it 176 plus 2 times area of base length by width, like 6 by 5 equal what? We can use the calculator to find the result. 236 centimeter square. Another question about cuboid. A cuboid shaped box with a square base. With a square base is a special case of cuboid. The cuboid, its base is a rectangle. But in this example, he gives me the base as shape square. A cuboid shaped box with a square base whose length is 9 centimeters and its height is 20 centimeters. Calculate the lateral area and the total area. Firstly, we must try the rule to get marks. Lateral surface area equal perimeter of base times height. Perimeter of base, البيس as shape square, and the perimeter of a square is side times 4 times height. Then he gives me the side length in the question is 9 centimeters. Then 9 times 4 times 20 is height, equal, we can use the calculator to find the result, equal 720 centimeters square. How to find the total area? The total surface area of a cuboid equal lateral surface area plus 2 times area of base. Lateral surface area equals 720 plus 2 times area of base. The base is as a shape A, square. Square area of square is side by side. Then the 9 by 9. We can use a calculator to find the result, equal 882 centimeters square. Another question on cube. A room, its length is 5 centimeters, its width is 4 centimeters, and its height 3 centimeters. It's wanted to paint its lateral walls and ceiling. Find the total cost if the cost price of 1 square meter is 10 pounds. A room as a shape is a cuboid, and he wants to paint what? To paint its lateral walls and ceiling. Then we have one base of a cuboid, not two bases like in the previous examples. The result will be a room, its length is 5 centimeters, its width is 4 centimeters, and its height is 3 centimeters. Then to find the lateral surface area, equal perimeter of base times height. Equal perimeter of base, length plus width times 2 times height. Length plus width, length is 5 plus width is 4 centimeters times 2 times the height is 3. Equal, we can use the calculator to find it, equal 54 centimeter square. How to find the total area? Total surface area of a cuboid equal lateral surface area plus, not 2 times area, but area of base, because we have only one base. Equal lateral surface area equal 54 plus area of base equal 5 times 4. The final result is 74 centimeters square. And how to find the total cost? The cost price of 1 square meter is 10. If the total cost equal 74 times 10 equal 740 pounds. Another question. If the lateral surface area of a cuboid is 140 centimeters square and the dimensions of its base area are 2 centimeters and 5 centimeters, then its height equal what? To find the height of a cuboid, the lateral area equal perimeter of base times height. To find the height, we will divide the lateral surface area by the perimeter of base. Let's solve it. The height equal lateral surface area, the lateral surface area over perimeter of base. Lateral surface area divide perimeter of base. Lateral surface area equal what? Lateral surface area equal 140 centimeter square over perimeter of base. البيس as shape as a rectangle, and the perimeter of rectangle length plus width times 2 equal 140 over 5 plus 2 times 2. We can use a calculator to find the result. 140 over 14 equal 10 centimeters. The height, then the height of a cuboid is the lateral surface area divided the perimeter of base. Let's take another question, but on the last unit, probability and pie chart. To find the probability of any event, we must know the sample space. The sample space is the set of all possible outcomes. The set of all possible outcomes. To find the probability of any event, we will divide the number of that event over the number of sample space. Like this equation. A box containing 8 white balls, 12 red balls, of them are symmetric. A ball is selected without looking inside the box. Find the probability of. Number 1, a selected ball is white. Selected ball is white, then to find the probability equal white. How many white balls? 8. Then 8 over the number of total balls. Total balls 8 white and 12 red, then 20. But 8 over 20, and we can take put it in the simplest form, equal 2 over 5. The second one, a selected ball is red. A selected ball is red. To find the probability of red balls, we will find the number of red over the total balls. The red balls, how many red balls? 12 red balls. We will divide 12 by 20. 12 divided by 20, we can put it as a simplest form, in the simplest form, equal 3 over 5. The third one, the selected ball is blue. We have no blue balls in this box. Then the probability of blue equal what? The probability of blue equal the probability of impossible event, and the probability of any impossible event equal 0. Then the probability of blue equal 0. Another question on probability. Tossing a dice once, observing the number appearing on the upper face, find the probability of. Number 1, even number. We said to find the probability of any event, we must have the number of that event over the number of sample space. The number of sample space when tossing a die has 6 faces. A die has 6 faces, numbered from 1 to 6. Then the sample space is 6, and all the denominators of the results will be 6, like this. Even number. Number 1, question 1, even number. How many even number on a die? The number of even numbers of a die, 3 numbers, 2, 4, and 6. Then the result will be 3 over 6. 3 over 6 equal, we can put it in the simplest form, 3 over 6 equal 1 over 2. The second question, odd number. How many odd numbers on a die? The odd numbers on a die, 1, 3, and 5. Then 3 numbers. The odd number, the probability of odd number, 3 over 6 equal 1 over 2. The third question, the prime number. How many prime numbers on a die? The prime numbers the numbers have 2 different factors, 1 and itself. 1 and itself. Then the prime numbers on a die are 2, 3, and 5. 2, 3, and 5. How many? 2, 3, and 5, 3 numbers. Then the last one, the prime number 3 over 6 equal 1 over 2. A number 4. Appearance a number 4. How many 4 on a die? A 4 on a die, only one number, 4. Then the result will be 1 over 6. 1 over 6. Why 1? Because 4, how many 4 on a die? Only 1 4. Then the result 1 over 6. Another one, a number greater than 7. A number greater than 7. How many numbers greater than 7 on a die? A die, the last number on a die, 6. We have no 7. Then we have no numbers greater than 7. Then a number greater than 7 is impossible event. And the probability of impossible event equal 0. The probability of impossible event equal 0. يبقى a number greater than 7 equal 0. Another example. The following table shows the percentage of the time spent by Hussein studying different subjects. Arabic 30%, math 40%, science 20%. I want the percentage of social. I want the percentage of social. How to find the percentage of social? To find the percentage of social, we will add 30% plus 40% plus 20%. Then the result we will subtract it from 100. Then the social will be 10%. He wants what? Represent the above data by a pie chart. Pie chart or circular sectors. Pie chart or circular sectors. To present by a pie chart, we must have the angle or central angle of each subject. Arabic, math, science, and social. We will find the central angle, the measure of central angle of each one. How to find the measure of angle of each one? Firstly, Arabic, the central, the measure. The measure of central angle. The measure of central angle of Arabic equal 30 over 100 times 360. the result will be what? The result will be 108 degree. The measure of central angle of math equal 40 over 100 times 360 equal 144 degree. To find the measure of central angle of sines equal 20 over 100 times 360 equal 72 degree. The measure of central angle of social equal 10 over 100 times 360 degree equal 36 degree. Then how to represent it on the by the graph? Circle, we draw a circle with any length. We draw a circle with any length. Then draw the radius. Then draw the first measure, 108 degree of Arabic. Then we will draw math 144 degree. Then draw the angle of sines equal 72 degree, and the last one is social is 36 degree. Our question now on translation. Draw triangle ABC in which the point A 1 1, point B 4 1 and point C 4 4 in the lattice diagram. Then find the image of triangle ABC by translation 1, -2. Then we will find the image of each point A, B and C by translation 1, -2. Then A 1 1 by translation 1, -2 is A dash 2, -1. Then 4, the point B 4 1, 4 plus 1 equal 5 and 1 minus 2 equal -1. C 4 4, 4 plus 1 equal 5, 4 minus 2 equal 2. On the lattice diagram we will draw the two axes x and y with the positive numbers and negative numbers. Then first we put the point A 1 1, then point B 4 1, then point C 4 4. Then draw the triangle ABC, and we will draw the triangle A dash B dash C dash. A dash is 2 -1, B dash is 5 -1, and C dash is 5 2. Then draw the triangle A dash B dash C dash is the image of the triangle ABC by translation 1, -2. We have finished the final revision of primary 6, and on the exam you must write each question, be carefully, and solve each question in one page and with my best wishes.